Is your turbocharged car feeling sluggish, hesitating when you try to pass someone on the highway, or maybe just drinking way more fuel than usual while that annoying check engine light stares you down? You might be dealing with a trouble code known as P2563, which points directly to the turbo boost control position sensor range or performance. This is a generic powertrain code, meaning whether you drive a Ford, a Chevy, or a Toyota, the basics are the same, though I see this pop up a lot on Hyundai and Kia models. Basically, your car has a sensor that tells the main computer, the PCM, exactly how much boost pressure the turbo is making so it can fine-tune the engine's power. When the electrical signal from that sensor goes haywire or doesn't match what the computer expects when you first turn the key on, it throws this code. Now, before you panic and think your turbo is blown, remember that this is often just an electrical circuit fault. It could be mechanical, like a clogged exhaust or intake, but we start with the wires. First things first, check for Technical Service Bulletins, or TSBs, for your specific car, because sometimes the manufacturer knows about this and has a quick fix that can save you hours of headache. If there are no bulletins, pop the hood and find that sensor, usually screwed right into the turbo housing. Look closely at the wiring. Is it rubbing against something hot? Is the plastic melted? Pull the connector apart and check the metal terminals inside. If they look green or corroded, that is your problem right there. Clean them up with some electrical contact cleaner and a plastic brush. Let it dry, and maybe add some dielectric grease. If the wiring looks pristine, clear the code with your scanner and see if it comes back. If it does, you need to verify your actual turbo boost with a mechanical gauge to rule out a bad turbo or wastegate. If the mechanical pressure is good, grab your digital multimeter. With the key off, disconnect the sensor. You want to check for power and ground. Connect the black lead to the ground terminal and the red lead to the power terminal on the harness side. Turn the key on, but don't start the engine. You should see either 5 volts or 12 volts, depending on your car's specs. If you don't have voltage, you have a broken wire back to the computer. If you do have power, check the signal wire. It should typically read 5 volts. If all the wiring tests pass and your mechanical boost is fine, then sadly, it is likely the sensor itself that has failed. Replacing it usually solves the issue, but remember, if you end up replacing the PCM, it will need professional programming.